course they should be first.
No, but it's the best. Save for last. It can't go downhill from there. The presents can't go downhill there.
Opening your first Christmas gift.
Oh, there we
Oh,
go.
so cute.
Good
There's
girl.
that wrapping. Who needs wrapping?
Here.
Look
Look
Yeah,
at
the
the
wrapping's more fun.
It's like I didn't have
a
to
card
write
made
all that.
in MS Paint. Awesome.
I can write in that. Okay, this is too letters. Oh, this is so cute. Oh, my favorite.
What do we got in here? Oh, a little bathing suit for the baby.
All right.
Awesome. You just started doing some swimming.
No, that's my
What
favorite.
else we got?
Oh, she started swimming
Yeah.
in the bathtub?
No, Erica took her to the pool the other day.
Oh, really? How'd she like it?
She loved
She
it.
loved it.
Oh, isn't that
Absolutely
great?
loved it.
She loves water like crazy, so.
Oh, wow.
There's another one that's really pink, and you can exchange it. But I thought I made that.
You made these?
Oh, wow.
Wow.
Seriously?
Wow.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
That's exactly what we need.
Tight.
Oh.
Nice.
Wow. Awesome, Jordan.
Dad's not doing so well on the whole
No,
like,
I didn't have to make it either. But I had to start at size 1 because my work doesn't have baby. But look how cute that one is.
little cupcake.
Aw.
Just fatten up soon.
Wait, size 1 as in like, oh, this
Year
is kids,
one,
right?
like
Okay.
year 1. Well, like toddler, yeah. We don't have like baby, so I was like,
Awesome.
oh, she'll grow.
You'll
eventually.
grow,
I
yeah.
tried to say it for
Ready?
Christmas
There's
themed things,
more.
so she wouldn't be one at Christmas.
Totally.
What's that? Oh, I know.
Oh, another little onesie thing. Awesome.
Oh,
Look at her. Oh my god.
It's exciting.
Thank you.
Yeah.
There's more.
Oh, more.
I made them too. They're little,
Look at.
Oh my
Oh my
god.
gosh, awesome.
they're little
Those
friends.
are awesome. Wow, Jordan. Those are awesome.
You
She
love
made
these.
those. Isn't that crazy?
I wanted to make some.
Wow.
What do you think,
She's so
Shelby?
happy.
Yeah. You're spoiled.
There's more.
Oh, wow.
Just one to the tree for it.
Running out of memory here.
Yeah, I think.
I made them too. Little baby shit. Lacy lining.
Awesome.
But they're huge.
Well, let's
There was
see.
a pattern for like 6. Well, not really.
Let's see if we can. Let's see what they look like. Where's your little feet?
But I mean, it said 6 months, and I was like, okay, she's not at like. Let's see what
We'll put them up.
we can live 10.
Grow into those. Look how cute
Look
that
Aw.
is. I can't believe you made little shoes.
But they won't stay. Look, they're like they almost like me. I swear.
She tie-dyed the fabric too.
Wow.
Wow.
These are awesome.
I want
No
big ones
kidding.
for me. I want to make my matching ones.
Those
So I
would
didn't have
probably
enough fabric.
Yeah.
Those are awesome. Hey,
Baby
sweetie.
shoes.
Pretty neat. Yeah. Wow. All right.
Oh, you're so proud of yourself.
Wow.
Oops. Thanks, Sandy.
Right on. Those are so nice.